Do your other foot. Good boy. Squeeze your fingers. Good boy. Sorry. There we go. Good boy. Okay. Show him what he's working and give him one for sitting nice. Okay, Mazzy? Do you want to... Oh, very good. Good work for Chris. Sit down. Raz, looking. Look. Okay, do this. Do this. Good boy, do this. Very good. What would you like to work for? Fish or crisps? Looking. Fish or crisps? Crisps, okay. You're going to get 3 tokens, then you can have your crisps. And this way. Okay. Looking. Give more. More, well done. Very good, Razzie. Good boy. Hands down. Give less. Well done. Good boy. One more and then you can have your crisps, okay? Okay. Hands down. Looking. Give more. Very good. Well done. Now Raz can have his crisps. So put the token on. That's it. Very good. Well done. Look for the next 3. Okay, let's finish this crisp. It's going to have 3 more tokens and then Raz can go and choose something, okay? Give more. Give more. Very good, well done. More. Point to more. That's it, well done. Hands down, looking. Give more. That's it, well done. Very good. More. Okay, 2 more, then Raz gets to go and choose something. Okay, hands down. Give less. Give less. Less, well done. Point to less. Raz, turn around. Point to less. Very good, well done. Okay, turn this way. Give less. Very good, well done. Less. Okay, 1 more, and then you can go and choose something. Okay. Turn around. Give more. Give more. That's it, well done. Point to more. More, very good.
Put it the same place now.
Okay, hands down. Raz looking. Give more. Very good, well done. And you finished. Good boy. Okay, looking. Oh. Okay, we finished doing work. Now Raz gets to choose something. And then we're going to do some basket work. You looking? Raz?
Playtime.
Okay. We're going to have playtime and then some basket work.